How's it going, everyone? Rusty here. Today I've got round two, the 2020 Bowman Chrome Hobby Box. So, second chance to pull something pretty decent. Like I said, my second chance. So, I do have one out that I've done. If you haven't checked that video out, please go take a look. At least see what we've got going on, because I won't spend a lot of time on the box. This product has been out for a little bit. I know everybody on the planet is pretty much chasing that guy. I'm happy to get some pretty decent stuff, but I like to see the color in the boxes. So we will go ahead and dive right in. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I try to get a video or two out every week, something that I can pick up for you guys, show kind of what's going on. Those that are returning, again, thank you for the continued support. Please stick with me. So, Bowman Chrome. So you get these two little boxes in there if you haven't seen before. There's two autos promised. And so you'll get one in each of these boxes. As far as the rest of the cards, you know, parallels, inserts, color, things like that, I don't think there's any guarantee on any of that. It's just the auto, so. Go ahead and crack into both of these. If you guys have any questions or comments on this product, please write them below. I do try to read each and every comment that comes in and respond appropriately. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and mix them up a little bit just for fun. I don't want to know where the autos are. I know sometimes they tend to put stuff in the same positions, and so people know where they're at. So, pack one. Wish me luck, guys. Trying to end my reign of not so good pulls and with this particular product. Usually kind of just get some of the lower stuff. So, Blake Snell, Francisco Lindor, Adley Rushman, the stat tracker insert. Nice Bobby Witt Jr. and a Francisco Alvarez. I know Bobby Witt's a big name right now. Everybody's kind of gunning for that name too. Sean Murphy rookie. Randy Arozarena rookie. Alek Manoah stat tracker. Not sure exactly how to pronounce that one. Shane McCarthy and a Keibert Ruiz. Moving along. Oh, looks like we got some color in this one. So, Leody Taveras. Noelvi Marte. It's a Dustin May rookie. The Yu Chang. And it is a purple shimmer of Clark Schmidt. Purple shimmer of Clark Schmidt. Looking for them Bowman firsts. All right, moving along. Okay, Nolan Arenado. Mike Clevenger. This is the Arizona Fall League of Dean Kremer. Jorge Mateo and a Mark Vientos. Moving along. This pack feels different. I think I had that last time. Like, it just felt stiffer than the other ones there. So, Anthony Rizzo. Jose Abreu. Dawn of Glory of Gus Varland. Jackson Cower and Tristan Lutz. Mookie Betts, Juan Soto, Anthony Volpe, stat tracker, Bruce Terang, and Matthew Liberatore. Alright, moving along. Moving along. Still looking for the first auto. Oh, we got a blue coming up. I love to see that color. Jackson Rutledge. Dalton Varsho. Jacob deGrom. Matt Chapman. And a Mike Ciani. It is number on the 150, number 80. All right, so far blue and a purple. I like it. Let's see if we can get the color on the auto. Oh, I think we got a redemption. Uh-oh. Yusnel Diaz. Mike Ciani again. There's Manny Machado. Yusei Kikuchi. All right. Chrome rookie autograph blue refractor of Luis Robert. Wow, that is a good one. I will take that. As I drop all my other stuff here. That is fantastic, guys. Said I wanted to see some color. I believe that's the color. Let's see. 4 packs left. Still 1 auto to go. Let's see how much more I can dig up. Hope we get something else really good. It's a nice Ronald Acuna. Josh Bell. Greg Dieckman. There's on a Fall League. Mickey Moniak. And a Dylan Carlson. Wow, I'm stoked. It's the first Luis Robert I've pulled as far as an auto. Zach Collins, rookie. Willie Calhoun. A George Kirby. Stat Tracker. Luis Garcia. And a Sam Huff. 2 to go. Still 1 auto left. Hoping for some more color. All right, Justin Dunn, rookie. Sheldon Noose, rookie. This is a refractor of Keone Cavaco. Number to 499, if you can see there. What's that, number 240? What do you think of this box so far, guys? I'm pretty stoked. Couldn't be more happy about pulling that. All right, Frutis Nova and Orion Castellani. Last pack, which means this is the last auto. Wish me luck, guys. Not sure how I can top that one, but let's see what we've got. No color, so Zach Gallen. Nice Bo Bichette rookie. Oh, it's a Bowman first auto, so let's Steel Walker. Kristen Potch. And Hector Yan for the Angels. Hector Yan. At least it's a Bowman first. I will take that. All right, guys, what do you think? Let me know what you think of this box. Get some of these out of the way. Do a little hit recap for you. Hector Yan, we just pulled. All right, we got the blue parallel Mike Ciani, number 80 to 150. The purple shimmer of Clark Schmidt. Of course, the big hit of the box, even though it's a redemption. It's the blue refractor of Luis Robert. And the refractor of Keone Cavaco. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think. Please comment below what you think. Like I said, I'm pretty stoked about that one there. I don't know if we can get much better as far as right now, what everybody's chasing. So please hit that subscribe button. I will get stuff out as often as I can to you guys. Please comment, like, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.